Hi, my name is Greg Taylor, and my presentation today, demonstration, is on the use of 3D printers and how to make things with them. This is a Bambu Labs P1S. It's a bit of an advanced model, but it makes things a lot easier, and I'm going to go through the everyday use of this printer. I'm going to show you in 5 easy steps how to get that done. Let's get to it. Step 1 is to download the file. The file is in the format of STL. An STL file is basically the blueprint that allows you to create a 3D object from a digital form into a physical corporeal form. So I'm going to show you a website where you can do that. That's pretty common to use.
So we're going to type in Thingiverse on Google, and that'll take us to the site. Thingiverse is a great site. We're going to search for a file. It's called a Benchy. It's a benchmark for printing. So it's what you start out with. From there, we're going to download the file. Go down. Select out the one at the menu there. Download it.
Once you have your file picked out, whatever you decided to print, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to prep and slice that file. For my printer, it has a proprietary software called Bambu Labs, and that software allows you to edit your prints and make sure that it's the right size, right condition, and allows you to tweak settings in order for you to have a successful and print that allow you to do what you want to do.
So now we're in the software, and I just loaded the file. And as you can see, this is a digital representation of what we're going to print. The software is great because it allows you to change certain things. It allows you to select the filament, change the quality, the strength, and support of the file itself. So we're going to inspect and make sure that it's attached to the bed. We're going to look around, make sure everything's good to go. We're going to move on to the next one.
Okay, now that you have your file downloaded and prepped and ready to go, we can move on to step 3. Step 3 is printer preparation. Printer preparation is where you just make sure that everything with the printer is ready to go. We have the materials ready that you need to continue on with the printing process. So right here, this printer is basically good to go at any time, but I'm going to show you what you need to do to load a different color reel, which is part of that process. So you take the reel and you load it into the filament loading process here, bin, and you feed it into the proper place. And my printer automatically loads it and puts it into the tube and puts it ready to go. After that, everything's loaded, and we can begin with step 4.
Now we can finally move on to, before we do that, make sure that so we're going to go into preview, check that out. We're going to look through and make sure that the file is coherent and going to stick to the bed. And then we're going to check the program itself is going to check to see if the slices of the program. Once that's done, we get good close.
All right, now that we printed successfully, we can move on to step 5, which is print cleanup. After we have our finished result, that is. All right, step 5, cleanup, would involve looking at the printer, making sure everything is back into place, opening the chamber itself, filling out plate, cleaning off with isopropyl alcohol so that we can move on with the next print, because we want to have the bed needs to adhere to the print itself, so we need it nice and clean, no finger oils or anything like that. So that's about all I can show you in this short time on making 3D prints. I had a really fun time making this video. I want to thank you all for watching it, and if you have any questions, just ask. Have a great day.